Is Priyanka Bansal from SKM Public School. Students, today we are starting the next topic of business studies, that is 10 funding options to raise startup capital for your business. As we have started the topic startup India business, which is for Stand Up India, that announced by the PM Narendra Modi in 2015. Okay, and today we are going to discuss out of 10 5 options that how we can raise the finance for the startup business. Okay, so this is basic introduction that according to a recent study, over 94% of new businesses fail during first year of operation. Means when the new enterprise is established, then among them 94% of the new businesses get failed during their first year only. Okay, and the reason we can say that it can be the most common reason related to finance. Okay, lack of funding turns to be one of the common reason, because the money is the bloodline of any business. Means money is, we can say that without money the activities of the business cannot be performed. The long, painstaking yet exciting journey from the idea to revenue generating business needs a fuel. Okay, to earn the more revenues, we can say, to earn the profits, there is a need of a fuel. That fuel names capital. ठीक है, यहाँ पे capital को क्या नाम दिया गया है? Fuel for the business. Okay, that's why at almost every stage of the business, entrepreneurs find themselves asking, how do I finance my startup? ठीक है, तो ये सबसे common question raise होता है, that how the finance can be arranged, finance can be made available to the organization or to the startup business, that so that the business can perform all activities with full enthusiasm. Okay, so first option is bootstrapping your startup business. Okay, so what is bootstrapping? It is self-funding. Okay, self-funding is known as bootstrapping. In our book only self-funding name is given, and the self-funding's other name is bootstrapping. Okay, bootstrapping is an effective way of startup financing, especially when you are just starting your business. Self-funding means खुद ही फंड और फाइनेंस को रेज करना. ओके, it is very important when we are starting our business. Okay, first time entrepreneurs often have trouble getting funds without first showing some traction and a plan for potential success. So we know that if we are going to start up the business for the first time, then outsiders will hesitate to provide the fund to us. Okay, to the business, or we can say to the enterprise. Okay, so you can invest from your own savings or can get your money and you can arrange the finance from family and friends to contribute. Okay, self funding is related to our own savings, our family contribution, our friends contribution in the business. This will be easy to raise due to less formalities, because if we are arranging the finance from the family or friends, then there will be less formalities. Okay, plus less cost of raising also. Okay, so bootstrapping is useful fundraising option for the beginners. Okay, second option is crowdfunding. Okay, crowdfunding as a funding option. Okay, second option is crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is one of the newer ways of funding a startup that has been gaining lot of popularity lately. It is taking a loan, pre-order, contribution और investments from more than one person at the same time. मतलब crowd का मतलब भी क्या होता है कि एक से ज़्यादा लोग होना. ठीक है, कि जहाँ पे भीड़ हो. तो ये क्या है कि it is just taking a loan, or we can say that taking the pre-order or the contribution from the more than one person at the same time. So here we will discuss that how the crowdfunding works. Okay, how the crowdfunding works. An entrepreneur will put up a detailed description of his business. See how the crowdfunding will work. The entrepreneur will put up the detailed description of the business on a क्राउड फंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, ठीक है। क्राउड फंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्या है, बिजनेस की क्या है पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाएगी। ही विल मेंशन द गोल्स of his business. First of all, that to raise the crowdfunding, the entrepreneur will put the description on the crowdfunding platform. Then he will mention all the goals of his business, that for which purpose the business has been established. Then he will put the plans also, that how the business will earn the profit, because if there is no profit making plans, nobody will invest in our business, okay. How much funding he needs and for what reasons, okay. उसके बाद पहले वो बताएगा कि बिजनेस की डिस्क्रिप्शन बताएगा कि बिजनेस का क्या है, मतलब कि इनकी बैकग्राउंड हिस्ट्री, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद बिजनेस को क्यों इस्टेब्लिश किया गया है, फिर वो प्लान्स बताएगा कि प्रॉफिट कैसे वो अर्न करेंगे, क्योंकि एक लॉसेस की कंडीशन वाले बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर कोई भी इन्वेस्ट नहीं करेगा। देन ही विल टेल दैट हाउ मच फाइनेंस इज नीडेड एंड फॉर व्हाट रीजंस, ठीक है, कि फाइनेंस की ज़रूरत किसके लिए है। देन कंज्यूमर्स कैन रीड अबाउट द बिजनेस एंड गिव मनी इफ़ दे लाइक द आइडिया, okay. There is no compulsion on the consumers or on the readers that they will invest the money, okay. They can invest or they can give the finance as per their own decision, that if they are that satisfied with the business ideas, then they can invest the money in the business, okay. So why you should consider crowdfunding as a funding option for your business? Here the question arises that why we should choose the crowdfunding, okay. The best thing about the crowdfunding is that it can also generate interest and hence helps in marketing the product alongside finance, ठीक है। क्या है वो कह रहे हैं कि that it will be helpful in increasing the fund also, plus it will give the marketing also to the outsiders, because all the information regarding the business will be that published in the newspaper, or we can say that to the outsiders like as a pamphlets, okay. Then the persons will come to know about the business and it will give the free marketing also, okay. It is also a boon if you are not sure if there will be any demand of the product you are working on, okay. कि ये क्या है कि एक तरीके से एक वरदान साबित होगा कि that if you are not sure if there will be any demand of the product or the, okay, because it will give the marketing help to the business, so here will be increase in demand also. This process can cut professional investors and brokers by putting funding in the hands of common people. तो एक तरीके से मार्केटिंग हो जाएगी, तो हमें ब्रोकर्स की और बीच में जो मिडल मैन्स है उनकी ज़रूरत नहीं भी पड़ेगी, मतलब हो सकता है कम पड़े, ठीक है। नहीं कि वी कैन नॉट से दैट देर विल बी नो नीड, देर विल बी नीड for the promotion, but this that funding source will help in the marketing, okay. It also may attract venture capital investment down the life if a company has a particularly successful campaign. If there is any successful campaign, then capital venture can also be raised, okay. Third option is related to get angel investment in your startup, okay. Third is related to angel investment. Angel investors are individuals with surplus cash and keen interest to invest the upcoming startup. मतलब एक तरीके से क्या है कि these are the persons who are having the money with them and they are investing money especially in the new startups business. And if that person, angel investor, is satisfied with our business ideas, then obviously he or she will invest in our business, okay. They also work in groups of network to collectively screen the proposals before investing. They can also offer that mentoring or advice alongside capital. Means क्या है कि they are performing multi activities, like they will invest the money also, they will give the ideas also that how the business can be put in the profits, okay. Angel investors helps to start up many prominent companies including Google, Yahoo, Alibaba, okay. एंजल जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं उन्होंने कौन से स्टार्टअप बिजनेस में हेल्प किया था? दे हेल्प टू द गूगल, we know that Google is very popular, okay. Yahoo, Alibaba, they have that make the investment from the that angel investors. Okay, this alternative form of investing generally occurs in a company's early stages of growth, when the company is in the early stage. Okay, when the company is in the early stage, then this is very successful option of raising finance. Okay, and they prefer to take more risk in investment for higher returns, because that angel investors are mainly that investing only in the new startup business, so they will be ready to invest money when the business is in the need. Okay, fourth option is get venture capital for your business. Okay, so this is where you make the big bets. Venture capital are professionally managed funds. What are the venture capital? These are the professionally managed funds who invest in companies that have huge potential, मतलब जिनका बहुत अच्छा potential है, and these funds are invested in that companies. They usually invest in a business against equity and exist. They usually invest in a business against equity and exit when there is an IPO. IPO means initial public offering, when a company is launching its shares for the first time. Okay, so venture capital, VCS, means venture capitals provide expertise, mentorship, and act as a litmus test of where the organization is going to evaluate the business sustainability and scalability point of view. Means venture capital is a huge amount of capital which will help the company to arrange the finance at a large level, and this is very helpful when the company is in the need of a large amount of funds. So a venture capital investment may be appropriate for small businesses that are beyond the startup phase and already generating revenues. मतलब ये उनके लिए हैं that who are already that settled and they are generating that revenues. Okay, fast growth companies like Flipkart, Uber, that many other are companies which are that fast growing. Okay, and that Ola cabs, like with an exit strategy already in a phase, can gain up to the tens of millions of dollars that can be used to invest, network, and grow their companies quickly. So it is helpful for those companies which are already in the phase of growth. Okay, next is get funding from business incubators and accelerators. Okay, so here early stage businesses can consider incubators and accelerators programs as a funding options. They can arrange the programs and they can raise the funds. Found in almost every major cities, these programs assist hundreds of startup business every year. Okay, these programs are very popular in the major cities. Though used interchangeably, there are few fundamental difference between the two terms. We have used two terms, incubators and accelerators. What are the incubators? Incubators are just like a parents to a child who protect the business, providing shelter, tools and training and network to a business. मतलब incubators क्या होते हैं? जैसे पेरेंट्स बच्चों के लिए काम करते हैं, उनको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, उनकी हर एक ज़रूरत को पूरा करते हैं, उसी तरीके से incubators are providing shelter tools, मतलब एक बेस प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं so that the business can settle in the that market. Okay, and the accelerators, so more or less the same thing, but an incubator help assist nurture a business to walk, while accelerator helps in run, take a gain, clip. मतलब क्या है कि दोनों का काम सेम है, but basic difference क्या है, that incubators helps in the initial stage and the accelerators helps in the later stage. Okay, so students, today we have discussed the 5 points, that 5 options how we can raise the fund in the startup business, and in the next video we will discuss the next options which are available to raise up the fund. So see this video and make notes in your notebook, and if you face any problem you are free to ask. Thanks.